एक असा येवप की युनायटेड ओपोजिशनाची गजाल जेन्ना आमी उलयतात, तुमी म्हळें की आमी सगळ्यांनी युनायटेड वचपाय, तुमचे कडेन 33 आसात आज. त्या 33 भितर आतां म्हाका दिसता 8 जाण तुमचेच आसात गेल्या ते. आतां लोकांनी हें मागीर युनायटेड ओपोजिशन म्हणटा पळय, ताचे आतां काल रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्साची आझाद मैदानाचेर सभा जाली. थंय मनोज परब वॉज व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट दे डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ युअर युनायटेड ओपोजिशन. हाऊ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दॅट? लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ दॅट.
See, with regards to this, let me be very clear. Issues pertaining to Goa centric, it is the duty of the opposition or as the leader of the opposition to unite all these forces together, to have a joint strategy. That was the idea. I was not as a Congress leader there, but as the leader of opposition. All of them agreed, including the RGP MLA, so Viresh Shah, he also agreed. We had 2 memorandums submitted. Under that, he had some demands about House Committee and white paper and something which we included in our joint memorandum and submitted. Now, as I said, if someone wants to do politics to do exclusiveness rather than being inclusive, because the agenda is that everyone has to be inclusive. If this doesn't happen, then it only divides, and dividing, you see who's come to power. What happened last time? Because of this division, the BJP came to power. It's very simple. So who's doing these dictates? At whose dictates are these people acting? Everyone knows.
You are saying RG is acting at the behest of the BJP.
I am saying that
I'm just
everyone
clarifying
who are
what you said.
trying to exclusive politics, whoever want to do, they do not have in mind that how do we एक गोंयकार मो आमी पयलीं कितको
पण
एकठांय
ते
जातले.
म्हणटात आमी एकठांय येता मागीर तुमगे आमदार फुट्टा म्हणून.
So,
अरे खरी
आमदार-
न्ही. दिस इज नॉट
See,
इवन एन्शियंट हिस्ट्री. दिस इज अ व्हेरी रिसेंट हिस्ट्री.
see, आमदार फुटल्यान जाले गेले.
हय.
ते आमदारान सायलंट आहाय, कांय उलय नाही, सारखे ओगे आहाय. In fact, what is surprising is on the first day, I raised this. There are 13 MLAs who raised a question. Out of these 8, only 1 MLA has issues pertaining to his constituency. 7 MLAs have no issues in their constituency. That means 7 सारखे स्वयंपूर्ण झाला अख्ख्या 7 दुसरे constituencies. Apart from that. So let us not talk on these defectors or these traitors, whatever we
ते
call them.
म्हणटात की तुमचे म्हणटे विश्वास कशे दवरप? फाल्यां समजा एकठांय आयले, झपका आनी 2 जाण फुटून गेले, मागीर कितें करपाचें?
Are फुटून गेले and all, whatever these things is, right now the issue is to save Madai, to save our mother. Why this step motherly treatment? तूं भाव भयण शापाय शामाय सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावपाचें. We have to save our mother. This is not a question of doing politics. So who's doing politics? Who's dividing these NGOs under one banner? Several NGOs gathered, and then all the political parties assured their support to them. There is nothing political in that. So all the other political parties, there is only one party that wants to divide. So it is an open secret. Why?
Why?
No, it is an open
What's
secret.
your assessment? Why you are saying why RG and Manoj Parab is doing this?
See, I don't want to particularly comment on one particular individual. I would say that Viresh, as I said in the past, is a good, honest MLA. He wants to fight for the rights of Goans. So let us go forward as Goans first. Let us not talk about united opposition or not united opposition. Let us save Madai first. And the ruling has to start this initiative. Resign जाय मरे जायना जाल्या. हांव रिजायन जाता, तूं जाव रिजायन. मुखेलमंत्रीन हें घेवन दी, रेजोल्युशन घेवन दी हावजांत रेजोल्युशन घे. आतां आमी 33 हें जायना जायना जाल्यार प्रधानमंत्री सांगचें की बाबा आमी रिजायन जाताय. जालें, हांव जाता तेंच बारा रिजायन. कापासता जाल्यार कोराय.
हे तू कोणा म्हणटा? बीजेपीक म्हणटा.
अरे BJP is only ruling here.
Yeah.
Center also, Karnataka also. So
पण आमचे ओपोजिशन युनायटेड जावपाक तयार ना. डू यू थिंक it is not going to happen?
It is not like that.
Because see, एक जालो इश्यू बेस्ड कमिंग टुगेदर. दुसरी जातलें की पॉलिटिकली और स्ट्रेटेजिकली कमिंग टुगेदर. Okay, on an issue like Madai, probably tomorrow everybody may realize that okay, let's come together and work under a non-political banner. बट फाल्यां जेन्ना स्ट्रेटेजीक मुद्दो येता, इलेक्शनाचो मुद्दो येता, तेन्ना आमची परिस्थिती सेम न्ही.
See, election, I belong to a national party. There are other national parties also here. Now, it is a fact that because of this divide and rule mechanism of the BJP, there was so much of anti-incumbency against this government. 67% people voted against this government. Rather than converting that into our favor, we were a divided house. It is a fact. And it is for all political parties to introspect and think for themselves that what are we doing in Goa's interest? Again, divide ourselves and give the BJP a chance again. So this is something that all political parties need to introspect.
एक जो विषय आहे आता आय एम ओपनली सेइंग बिकॉज दीज आर द पार्टीज विच आर देर आम आदमी पार्टी नाव आर यू शुअर दॅट आम आदमी पार्टी विल स्टे विथ यू बिकॉज आम्ही हे जाय सावन जी स्टेटमेंट्स आयकल्या एक वटेच्यान आम आदमी पार्टी आपली प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सी घेता टू एन एक्सटेंट दॅट इवन दे आस्ट RG and all to join them. दुसरे वटच्यान तुम्ही घेतात बट इट सर्टनली लुक्स लाईक देर इज अ ह्यूज ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट अमॉंगस्ट यू ऑल.
See, today also we were united. The Aam Aadmi Party head, leader, Venzi Viegas was there, Vijay Sardesai was there, I was there, Viresh was there. So we together discussed about the BSA meeting also. All of us were very vocal and very vociferous for us. It is not that we don't put our points. Because they say we don't put our points, we have given a memorandum and take, this is the memorandum.
In writing.
Yes, take it
Aye.
and act on it. Now let us see what is their say. So on issues, definitely as a role, as I have to play as a leader of opposition, it is my role to take all the opposition MLAs together and move forward.